remove the RAM. We identify its capacity, which is a 4 GB RAM. It's a DDR4. Put it aside. Then we start the process of removing the screws. This having a CD-ROM, we need to first remove the CD-ROM as well. We unscrew its screw and we remove the CD-ROM. We verify if all the screws have been unscrewed before we break its cover. And we try to remove the top cover and see. Successfully removed our cover. First take a look at the motherboard. We see how many screws it has. Then after seeing the screws, we check the cables that are connected. Then we first disconnect those cables from the board. Then we remove the fan. This is where the CPU is, and this is we put our thermal paste. But since this is a demonstration, we don't have a thermal paste, so we have to first clean this before we put the new one. We clean here, and clean here. Then as we are reassembling, we put back the thermal paste. This is our smooth battery. We remove it gently. So this is our motherboard. So the next stage is to remove it as well. So we first make sure there are no cables connected. If there are cables connected, we disconnect them as well. So this is our motherboard, and our laptop has been successfully disassembled. So the next step is to reassemble. As I said before we put the fan, since the fan is attached to the CPU, we need to first clean this and then apply a new thermal paste. But since we don't have a thermal paste, as this is a demonstration for demonstration purposes, I'll put back the fan. Connect back the cables. You make sure that everything is put back in order, and after confirming that everything is up, then we got the process of putting back its cover. back our RAM. Put back the cover. This one had no hard disk, so you can't fix it back. Put back its battery. That's it. Our laptop is good to work again. Thank you.